One of the questions we get quite often, can we repair Cazal frames? Absolutely. What you're looking at is one of the Cazal Legend frames. This one is the 623. We're going to use this one just to define what a few of the parts are and what we're capable of doing for you if you need our service. So on this frame, I've taken off the actual temple. So you can see here, this piece is gone. And here is the temple piece. So you identify the piece goes over the ear. A lot of times we hear the word arms, legs. This would be the temple. You see the Cazal logo on here. From the inside of it, these are temple hinges, and sometimes those need to be replaced. We can actually weld new hinges on any Cazal frame and also replace the temples when necessary. If you have a different frame, I've got here an example, the Cazal 955 and the Cazal 951 have what are called side shields. You see it from the inside and from the outside. Those also come in stock, both in brown and in clear. So if you have a Cazal Legends frame and you need a part repaired or replaced, contact All American Eyeglass Repair. We're here to help you.